The very popular email blast, the 10 interesting days for December, is now live in your account. Every month, more and more of our clients are loving this email. And it's just a great email that's letting people know what's going on for the next month. December is a little bit obvious, maybe, but not every month is. And so it's fun to see, whether it's the winter solstice or things like Boxing Day or National Cookie Day. At the end of the email here, you're going to see there is a button that people can click to go to your home value landing page like this one that's completely customizable. And then the second link here is for your client reviews, and people click on that. Here's your client review website. So if you haven't seen your client review website from Listings to Leads, you can add all your client reviews automatically from Google, Zillow, and Testimonial Tree. You can add reviews manually if they're on another website. People have access to your 100-point home marketing plan. If you have client review videos, they can be put in here. All of your PDF guides are available. Your listings are available. Very customizable. So all these sections, I can change them around, move them around, no problem at all. And then here I got, when do you plan to buy? We can help. Another embed right there. So an amazing tool to help generate leads. So to access both the email and the video scripts that we got for you for this, in Listings to Leads, log in, go to the dashboard, and when you scroll down right here, so I have it right below pending and sold listings, you'll see database email blast. Here is the email in question. If you haven't sent these two ones out yet, get into the mastermind group and search for the title. Search maximize your home sales post-election and search for builder incentives and rising inventory. We've got video swipe files that go along with these email blasts that are absolutely awesome. So get those out today if you haven't yet. And then this one here, I would send out on the 1st of December. Go ahead and click the subject line, send yourself a test email so you can see what the email that I just looked at. And then I can either schedule this to go out on the date I want, like maybe December 1st in the morning. I can either send it right now if I want to, if it's appropriate. I can also click the copy code button, go to my CRM, and I can send it out through my CRM. So in Line Desk, for example, just to show you how easy this is, pretty much every CRM works very similar. So in Line Desk, I go to contacts, and then there will be a bulk actions. I'm going to click that, select email. And this is appropriate for all of my leads. And so when you get to the box here where you can type in for the email, just click on this button called source. It's either top left or bottom right in that area. You can always ask support at your CRM if you're not sure. So now here's that email. Absolutely gorgeous. Ready to go. Engage my database. And then just go down to your CRM. I would send out another test email, make sure everything looks good, and then schedule and or send. Now, in Listings to Leads, keep scrolling down past the email blast, and you will find that we've got video scripts. Now, we got video scripts for your listings, the seller guides, the buyer guides, the seller landing pages, the buyer landing pages, other scripts available for you. You should be able to do a video every single day with Listings to Leads. But in the section here called short form video script, usually about a week out. So when you get here, it'll show for today, and there's a script. Look at that, every single day. There's a minimum of one script. And if I tab forward, you'll see here, so the second, Cyber Monday, here's the script. And of course, to get it to you, just click send it to yourself. And if you're not sure what to do here, I've got a training right here, learn more. If I click that learn more button, it'll take me to the training page. And here's everything you need. So if you're not sure how to do short form video, here's a overview video and then some great text. So again, we got video scripts for listings, video scripts for all the guides. You've got 80 guides in your account, 40 for sellers, 40 for buyers. You could do a couple a week if you wanted to. It's so easy to do. So social, which is what we're talking about here. And then we've even got review scripts for local reviews. So this is the kind of thing that's going to make you the mayor of your area, where you can do a video for a dog park, a dentist office, a restaurant, a cafe, right? Whatever it is in your local area, this script will work. And so in this video here, I'll walk through how to do that as well. So get in here and get a hold of these video scripts as well, because by doing these videos, You could green screen it. You could do a video like I'm doing right here. You could go out into the field and do it. There's so many great options and so many great opportunities for you to use these video scripts to increase your engagement in your area for free. So if you have any questions on any of this, let us know. We'll talk to you soon.